I'll prepare the ravens, Your Grace.
The winter that began in 59 AC was long and cruel. The north was hardest hit, with famine spreading through the land. But harvests failed through the rest of Westeros as well, even as far south as the Reach. The price of bread rose, fruits and vegetables were hard to come by, and meat grew even costlier. Worse still, in 59 AC, the Shivers returned to the Seven Kingdoms, first appearing in the islands of the Crown Lands, and then sweeping through Blackwater Bay and up the Blackwater Rush. First recorded a century earlier, the Shivers